She's from Wisconsin, as you know where I'm from, and we're meat eaters. And so like, I love my friend Tabitha, but I said, listen, I was like, listen, friend. I was like, God bless this vegan. I support it if that's your lane, but I would be inauthentic to not have a burger in our book, multiple steaks in our book. Because I'm a meat eater. The last day of my life, when you go to my casket, I'm going to have a steak in my hand. I'll be winking. I'll be some pink and green. That's how I'm rolling out. So
when we first became friends, she wasn't eating many vegetables.
I wasn't eating vegetables. I was like, Lish, I'm not interested in salad. She was like, I'm going to give you a salad. So in our book, we have a big bowl salad. And she said, the good stuff, when you eat a salad, sinks to the bottom. So basically, she's done this salad with all the good stuff. And then we have our triple B burger, and it is butter,
brioche, and burger.
It's two thick cuts of we use great meat, and then you have two patties. And what Lish taught me how to do, we do a compound butter. Jesus Christ.
Pardon me.
I'll be back. That's my ride. No, what she did was we created a compound butter. So it's shallots, and it's butter, it's the whole grain mustard. And what we do is you cut the butter into like a little disc, and you put it in between the burger patties, and then you put it on the grill. So when you bite into that burger, every bite is juicy. Because I hate a dry burger.
Even if you cook it to well done?
Even if you cook it to well done.
Juicy.
Which is my mom. My mom is like, if it is not black and blue, she wants no parts of it.
That's also your husband.
That is my husband. He's the same way. And with this particular burger, what Lish was trying to master is for people who like it really, really well done, so it's not dry. So those are some of the recipes in the book. But as I said, it really is a story of our friendship. I show this funny picture of us. So you see, Lish and I have the same haircut, but
it's been that way since well before we knew each other.
What page is it on?
It's very early on.
I know, Charles. I'm trying to be demure and cutesy and not flashy over here. So hold on. We've had the same. There's a picture of me from our Mother Mercy Catholic School in the front of the book.
Here we go.
And Lish, and we had same haircut then.
We
still
same haircut now. Our little pigtails and bangs.
And she was all the way in Wisconsin, and I'm in Texas, and we had the exact same haircut then and now. And what we do in our book, also, as I said, the goal of this with the 79 recipes was we wanted you to have breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinks, snacks, because my aunt sister used to have that Betty Crocker book in her kitchen. And it was a 360-degree book. Meaning, if you wanted to make anything, it was in the Betty Crocker book. And so I said to Lish, I really didn't want just one particular thing. I wanted you to be able to go in this book, and at any point, he's like, I feel like making something. I want something different. You can go in the book and find it.
And you can cook for yourself plus one other person, or you can cook for 8 people. There are recipes that kind of run the gamut of that. So there's a good variety.
And my mom, it's funny enough, because my mom is kind of a picky eater. And so recently she come to visit me in New York. And I said, let me cook a few things for her while I'm traveling, because I wanted her to be able to have something to eat when I wasn't there. She wouldn't have to order in. And we have a curry chicken salad. And this is the truth. I was like, I'm going to make it. It's called Granny's Curry Chicken Salad. It's in honor of Lish's granny-in-law. And I made it. I put it in the refrigerator. I walked away. I was like, I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to put it right here and walk away. My mother called me. This is a true story. I will not lie to you on this, because I didn't say anything. She said, well, what am I eating for lunch? I said, I put this, it's in the refrigerator. You try it out. Then I told her, she called, y'all did that. Y'all did that with a curry. What was in that? It is a curry chicken salad. And it's one of those things that tastes better and better as it's sitting in there. And it was so good. And it's easy. We tell you, you don't need to labor over the chicken. I got a basic rotisserie chicken. We put the curry in it.
Yep. Make our own dressing.
Make your own
I'm pretty sure my granny-in-law just bought chicken salad and put some curry in it. But we did the whole thing. We make the dressing. We add the seasonings. We do the chicken, everything.
We have, and I'm going to go into another controversial area.
Uh-oh.
Something that I love in the book. We have an indoor shrimp boil.
Oh, yeah.
I know where I'm saying this. I know I'm in New Orleans. I realize, but I want the smoke. I want you to make it and tell me what you think. Because she said, okay, oof.
I know.
I'm going to give you my personal cell phone number. Who said okay? Who said it first?
Oh, there we go.
I'm going to give you my phone number. How you know it's real? It's still 817. I still have an 817 phone number because I want to hear your thoughts. We wanted a shrimp boil because both of us live in New York. We have very small kitchens. And we wanted something that had that flavor of a shrimp boil and that really was also easy to make.
Yeah, that's, you guys all know, of course, but like, it's the easiest way to feed a crowd. If you can put something in a pot, you can make a shrimp boil, right? It's like, it's just about layering it and putting in your flavorings and all that. Like, it's very straightforward to do.
And it's very good. And you test it out because she, again, tests out methods. One of the other things, my son, my kid's favorite thing to eat is curry chicken and dumplings. If he can eat curry chicken, and he likes saucy, he likes the contrast. He actually doesn't like chicken tender. He doesn't like candy, which is the strangest thing ever. Because I'm a kid. I know he's a strange child. I don't know who child he is, but I love sweets. My kid happened to not like sweets. She one day was visiting me. Oh, and all these pictures are from my home. I have a cottage, which Charles knows this neighborhood. It's in the Hamptons. I know I'm going to be fancy, but it's really not. It is the only historic Black neighborhood in the Hamptons. A lot of people don't know about it. Sunny, our dear friend, wrote about it. It's called As Your Rest. And Susan Taylor, the great editor of Essence magazine, one day said to me, there's this Black neighborhood that is in the Hamptons. A lot of people don't know about it. And we're worried that we're losing our culture and our community. And I said, okay. So I went out there. And at the time I was like, okay, I'm figuring this out. I don't have the patience to really redo a home. As luck would have it, I ended up finding a place like 2 blocks from Susan, so she cannot get rid of me. But it's a historic Black neighborhood because in the Hamptons, one of the things that people don't talk about is that they wouldn't sell to Black people until 1947, and they still redlined. And in this beautiful community now, Marcus Samuelson lives there. A lot of other people, they built their own. And it's a beach community. You talk a lot about Martha's Vineyard, and we know about that. But this community exists as well in the Hamptons. So I'm very proud that this is my home and I love it. And we go out there. So this is why we did the cookbook from there, because I wanted people to see that slice of life. But Liz should come out to my place. And I said, Liz, can you make a quick grilled cheese sandwich for Moses? Because we're going to hit the road. It's like 3 hours from New York. So I'm thinking white bread and the plastic, the sound. I thought that's what
American cheese.
I don't know if the version I was thinking was American cheese because it's in a plastic. Yeah. I'm like, we're going to make the grilled cheese. I come in to my kitchen. She has sliced pears. She has found some cheese. My son is eating this and I'm like, what is going on? So the Moses grilled cheese is in there. He had never slept the whole ride.
The whole ride home.
He slept the whole ride from Sag Harbor.
I was like, you're welcome.
She was like, you're welcome. I was like, where'd you get my baby? I looked in the back. He was like this. I was like, it worked the night shift.
It's Moses approved.
It was Moses approved. So we have that. We have a bucatini pasta with a beautiful sauce that you can make very easily. But as I said, it's 79 amazing recipes. But one of the things that I'm also very proud of,